It was a dark night in the jungle. Rain was falling fast. Thunder was loud. Little panda Milo was alone. He was cold and scared. "Mom? Dad?" Milo called, but nobody answered. The wind pushed the trees. Milo held his red scarf and cried. The next morning was quiet. The rain stopped. Milo woke up under a tree. His stomach was empty. "I need my family," he said softly. Birds flew above him, but Milo was still alone. Milo walked and walked. Then he saw a big river. The water was fast. The stones were slippery. "I cannot cross," Milo said. He felt afraid again. A friendly monkey came down from a tree. "I will help you," the monkey said. They tried to cross together, but the water was too strong. "Oh no," Milo cried. They went back safely. An old turtle came slowly. "Do not rush," the turtle said. "Slow steps bring you home." Milo listened carefully. "Thank you," Milo smiled. Night came again. Milo found a dark cave. Strange sounds came from inside. "I am scared," Milo whispered, but he had no other place to go. Inside the cave, Milo closed his eyes. He remembered his mother's voice. "Be brave, Milo." Milo stood up. "I can do this," he said. In the morning, animals came. A deer, birds, another panda family. "You are safe now," they said.
Hello, little
Milo
one.
smiled happily.
Mama,
Mama Panda hugged Milo. "You are not alone," she said. Milo felt warm inside. That night, stars filled the sky. Milo slept peacefully. He was safe. He was loved.